how to buy the mini house token. So this token came under the symbol of Trinket symbol. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, as you can see, make sure to check their community next. As you can see, they have 355 members there. Now as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created just 13 hours ago. It increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. This token, as you can see, it's created under the Solana network. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address, and after that open your funds wallet for that. After that, as you can see here, click on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token. Now click here and this token as sensitive. So as you can see, this also gonna click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. You can find it here under the token here. So after that, what you need to do, just click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to actually Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Trinket token, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.